This is how the members of the International Meeting of Choirs greeted Pope Francis at the Vatican. The audience was part of the celebration of the 40th anniversary of the foundation of the choir of the Diocese of Rome. Among those present were well-known directors of sacred music, the 300 members of the diocesan choir, and their families. The children didn't miss the opportunity to get close to the pontiff. During the meeting, the Pope said that music generates harmony, comforts those who suffer, and restores enthusiasm to the discouraged. Therefore, it is a reflection of the harmonious light of God. The celebration culminated with a grand concert at the Vatican. In the morning, the Holy Father hosted an audience in the Paul VI Audience Hall, where thousands of people eagerly waited to hear the musical pieces. To commemorate the occasion, the director of the Roman choir prepared an unreleased song entitled "Christ is My Hope." We interviewed Monsignor Marco Frisina, the director of the Roman choir, during their musical rehearsals.
Proprio in vista del Giubileo.
Precisely, considering the Jubilee and thinking about how nowadays it is so important to sing the joy of hope, because everyone thinks with sadness about the things that happen, war, violence, hatred. But it is good to sing instead, to counter all this, that Christ is our joy, our hope.
La nostra speranza e Cristo è risorto.
The choir of the Diocese of Rome performed a medley of some of its most significant pieces over the years. Musicians from different parts of the world united their voices. Among the songs they performed was "Jesus Christ, You Are My Life." Monsignor Marco Frisina said that this song reminded him of Pope St. John Paul II.
Because during the World Youth Day in Rome, in the year 2000, I wrote that hymn for the occasion, which has since become the hymn of World Youth Day.
The Dicastery for Culture and Education and the Pontifical Institute of Sacred Music sponsored the event. Monsignor Frisina stated that the choir of the Diocese of Rome was born to accompany the celebrations officiated by the Pope, Bishop of Rome, and explained that music is of paramount importance for prayer.
Perché la musica orienta il cuore.
Because music points the heart towards a direction, and that direction is God. Music becomes one of the most beautiful means to prayer. Just like this beautiful piece that we are listening to, it helps you to widen your heart, to meet others, to overcome differences. It doesn't matter where you come from, what religion you practice, your ideas or your age. Music brings people together.
Di ogni età, la musica ti unisce.
The celebration concluded with a Mass in St. Peter's Basilica. Shortly afterwards, the choirs made their way to St. Peter's Square to pray the Angelus with the pontiff. Pope Francis sent a special greeting to the members of the choir meeting, and they responded with an ovation.